Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager. All right, so let's begin with the video. Accessing Meta Support is done through the Business Suite Help interface because there is no direct public contact for a support manager. First, access the Help Center. You need to log in to your Meta Business account by going to business.facebook.com. Once you are logged in, look for the question mark icon on the left sidebar. Click on this, and from the menu, select Help option. From there, you'll be able to see the Help panel with different suggested articles. Next, scroll down the Help panel past the suggested articles until you find the option that says Contact Support or Create New Case. If you cannot find it immediately, keep scrolling to the very bottom section of the panel. There you will see a highlighted option for the Help Center. Click on it, and it will take you to the Business Help Center page. Once you are on the Business Help Center page, look at the top of the screen and click on the option called Get Support. After clicking on Get Support, you will need to select an asset and request chat. This means you have to choose a specific ad account or business asset that you are having an issue with. After selecting the asset, follow the prompts shown on the screen and look for the Start Chat button. If your account is eligible based on active ad spend, you will be connected to a live support specialist immediately. If you are not eligible for live chat, you will instead be asked to fill out a detailed email form so the support team can review your request. And that's it. So that's basically how you can contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.